Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com. And wait, let me just fix this real quick. And I just wanted to come with some value, right? I want to give you guys like a productivity hack that I use on a daily basis. Pretty much it's super simple, right? If you're spending a lot of time on social media and like YouTube, in terms of like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, only follow those that are motivating you through their content. Those that give value, forcing you guys to take action. All right, never follow those viral videos or those accounts that are there to entertain you, because while they are entertaining, they are costing you money, right? You're viewing it, you're binge watching these type of things, and it's keeping you in that state and away from taking action. So what you want to do is just follow those that force you to take action, right? Like what I want to do is focus on giving you the right tools to help you take action, go out there, create content. Create, right? Yeah, that's right. Create. My little man is also there to help you guys take action too, because he's learning how to stand. Look at him. Look at that. Right? So just take action and create, because that'll be the best. Ooh, the light back there. Still got to figure out the lighting in this office and whatnot. But yeah, focus on creating, and only those accounts that motivate you to get out there and create, because other than that, you're just, just sitting there costing you money. Anyways, I'm going to go back to playing with him. Just wanted to share that little message. Hopefully you found value in that. And as soon as you end this video, whatever it is that you're working on, just go back to it and take that action. All right? Till the next time, folks. Peace.